If you have an old PC that isn't officially supported for Windows 11 and you're planning to upgrade, watch this before rushing into it. I'm not talking about the TPM 2.0 or CPU generation restrictions we've dealt with before. This is a new requirement that affects CPUs more than 15 years old, specifically processors that don't support a critical instruction set called POPCNT, population count. If your CPU doesn't support this instruction, Windows 11 25H2 will not boot at all. It's a complete deal breaker. Today, I'll show you exactly how to check whether your CPU supports Windows 11 25H2 using a free tool called CPU-Z. It takes just 2 minutes and will tell you definitively whether you can upgrade or not. If you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows updates and tutorials. Now, let's check if your CPU has the required instruction sets. We're going to use a free, trusted tool called CPU-Z. CPU-Z is a free diagnostic tool. It will show detailed CPU information, trusted by IT professionals worldwide, and no installation required. Portable version available. Open your web browser, search CPU-Z, or go to cpuid.com, or search CPU-Z download. You'll see the CPU-Z homepage. Scroll down to the Download section. You have two options. Option 1, Setup, Installer, Full Installation. Option 2, Zip, English, Recommended. Portable version, no installation needed, just extract and run. I recommend this option. Click Download Now under the zip version. The file downloads. It's small, about 2 to 3 megabytes. Save it to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded CPU-Z zip file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file. Select Extract All. Click Extract. Windows extracts the files to a new folder. Open the extracted folder. Inside the folder, you'll see two files, CPUZ_X32.exe for 32-bit systems, very rare today, CPUZ_X64.exe for 64-bit systems, most modern PCs. If you're unsure which to use, most PCs from 2010 plus are 64-bit. Try the 64-bit version first. If it doesn't work, use 32-bit. Double-click on CPUZ_X64.exe. Click Yes if User Account Control asks for permission. CPU-Z opens and analyzes your processor. Wait a few seconds while it loads your CPU information. CPU-Z displays several tabs at the top. You should be on the CPU tab by default. Now scroll down in the CPU tab until you see a section called Instructions. This is a list of all instruction sets your CPU supports. Look carefully through this list. For Intel CPUs, look for SSE 4.2. Scroll through the instructions list, look for SSE 4.2. If you see SSE 4.2, great news! Your CPU will support Windows 11 25H2. You can safely upgrade. If you don't see SSE 4.2, your CPU will not support Windows 11. The update will not boot on your system. You'll need to stay on an earlier version or upgrade hardware. For AMD CPUs, look for SSE 4A. Scroll through the instructions list, look for SSE 4A. If you see SSE 4A, great news! Your CPU will support Windows 11. You can safely upgrade. If you don't see SSE 4A, your CPU will not support Windows 11. The update will not boot on your system. You'll need to stay on an earlier version or upgrade hardware. Now, if your PC is supported, go watch our video explaining how to install or upgrade to Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. It's simple, well explained, and the link is in the description below. Let me show you my results as an example. My CPU, Intel Core i7-6600U, 6th generation. In CPU-Z instructions section, I see SSE, SSE2, SSE3, SSE 4.1, SSE 4.2. Yes, this is what I need. Result, my CPU will absolutely support Windows 11 25H2. No problems at all. If you have any Intel Core processor from 1st Gen 2010 or newer, you'll see SSE 4.2 in the list. And there you have it, a complete guide to checking if your CPU will support Windows 11 25H2. Now, I want to hear from you. Did you check your CPU? Does it have SSE 4.2 or SSE 4A? Are you worried about this new requirement? Drop your CPU model and results in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you understand the Windows 11 CPU requirements, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone running older hardware. Subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 updates. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss important news.